Guys, I don't know if you guys see a lot of these on the road anymore. You see that little sign right there? He's had it since he got deployed. He's had it 13 years now. Mustang Cobra, pushing over now 700 horse. You can tell from the back tires, he means business. But check this beast out. You can see the intercooler right there. What a beast. Clean. Anyways, let me show you guys what we done. So it's got American Racing, long tube headers, and mid-length pipe. We didn't do anything to it. There was just a clamp loose. We just tightened it up for him. So American Racing long tube headers, American Racing X pipe. Then it's Borla S-type from there back, as you guys can see. And there's the tailpipes on each side. All 3-inch system, Borla, catback S-type. All right. I said, you know, we don't get these cars every day into the shop, the SVT Cobra Terminator beast of a car. So we're like, you know what? I got to get a recording for you guys. You know how we do it. Anything fast and fun, we get a recording. So there it is. If you guys have a cool car like this, bring it down. We'll do a video of it. The cooler the build, the faster it gets posted. All right. So we have about a year backlog, guys. So if it's any of our fans that have come in the past, we have about a year backlog on videos. So because he was complaining he has another car and he's like, you haven't posted that truck yet. I said, yeah, we still have a year backlog of video. That's just to let you guys know. Anyways, let me show you guys this Cobra in action. Stay tuned. Nice idle. Idle's 87. 83 now. All right, give it gas. Speaking at 117, a little bit higher. 119. Wow, that sounds so good. Mustang. Imagine if you had that tap. It's crazy loud, man. This is guys with the S-type and it sounds like that. Imagine if you had the Borla attack on it. Rev it. Here, I'll get close up. Again. Gotta back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. There's our phone number. Give us a call if you have any questions or concerns. If it doesn't grip with those tires, there's a problem.
It doesn't grip.
It still doesn't grip. Wow. Gotta warm them up. You can do a burnout if you want to warm them up.
I'm rusty.
I'm just saying.
I'm rusty.
I'm just saying, man. And if you guys want to follow his build, guys, there's his Instagram. Go give him a follow and tell him Exhaust Addicts sent you in the comments. Go ahead. So neat. Yeah, it's clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. He's so right. Make sure you guys all teach your children to drive manuals. Save the manuals. We need a new movement called Save the Manuals. Because you don't know what a true car feels like until you drive a manual. You feel the heart of that car. Especially a car like this. Look at this, guys. Terminator. What a beast, bro. Woo! Imagine we could just buy, get every, like the other Mustang earlier had a Whipple Supercharger. Wow. How long you had it now? 13 years, you said?
12.
12 years. Going on 13, so hell yeah. And he did the tail of the dragon. It was fun, still is. There it is, 32 valve V8. So you guys don't think he's playing around, all right? I don't want to hear keyboard warriors like, oh, it's not a Terminator, it's not a V8, it's this, blah 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 blah. Here we go. long tube headers, X-Bike 3-inch catless, and Borla S-type exhaust on this 2003 Mustang Cobra. And then the wind pushed that away, but it's okay. Better. Yeah, it's got raw power. Look at him shaking his head. Do you approve? Yeah. All right. I do too. That was a total beast mode right there on that one. He's coming back in a second, so. Here he comes. Here we go. That sucker's screaming, man. Woohoo! Beast mode. And he got caught at the light. Oh well, that was perfect. I love it. Enjoy, guys. Here we go. So this is pull number 1 with valves closed. It's got only 40,000 miles on it, guys. It's barely broke in. Wow. It's so quiet. You can still hear it, but it's quiet. That's insane. For it to be 600 horsepower with Valvetronics to be that quiet, it's perfect. Let's see when he opens the valves how it'll sound. Stay tuned. You can hear how quiet it is. Now he's gonna open the valves. So open the valves and rev it a couple of times, yeah? Now the valves are open. Go. Take off number 2. Go ahead. Enjoy it, bro. Yeah. That sounds sick. What a beast. Go ahead. Show me what this thing can do. Wow, you see that? That's power there, man. Did you see it? Like the second gear? Jeez. Man, beast mode.